This is the part 2 of the application which I'm explaining, and I was explaining the autocomplete view of the Addmap application. So coming to the autocomplete view, like you see here, it's a search bar of the Google, which when I type ECL, it's suggesting like Eclipse, Luna, and Eclipse whatever. So this is done when we start typing, it will send the API key and the parameter which we are typing to the Google, and the Google verifies API key and sends us the suggestions. And it's the same way how the API key works for everything. For everything you retrieve from the Google, you will have to give your API key to verify you as a unique application. Even when we search for the addresses, the addresses for the navigation part is done the same way, like sending the API key and the parameters are the words we search. So it's going to go to Google, it's going to give us the navigation, and for every instance, for every case, whatever we are retrieving from the Google sources, the API key will be verified as a unique, and it will show the updated info in the App Engine console like I showed before. So we will be fetching the fetching the latitude longitude, and we will be appending the API key and sending to the Google for the navigation. But once we send it to the Google, it will take the latitude and longitude and give us the directions to the destination, and destination is the latitude longitude which we provide. So using those latitude and longitude, Google will give us a navigation, and further a person can just navigate to the destination. In the AddMap version 1.1 part 3 video, I'll be showing a demo of the application working on the device. Let me show you on the Eclipse. I have connected my device right here, which is showing unknown. The reason is, before the device getting identified, I should accept something on my device. First of all, I should switch on the developer options. In any Android device, developer options are not defaultly activated. In order to do so, we can just go to the settings, and we can just go to the about phone. There will be a tab called about phone all the way at the bottom, and if you tap it on 7 times on the about phone, after the 7th tap, the developer options will be activated. So once you go into the developer options, there is something called USB debugging. In order to work with the device with the Eclipse or any IDE development environment, you have to switch on the USB debugging. So right now we can see it's unknown here. What the application does is, whenever I connect my device to the computer, you can see on the top here the Galaxy Nexus is connected. But in my device, which I cannot show you, I can show you in the next video. In my device, I will be getting something like the computer's key fingerprint is something, which is the SHA-1 key. So it will ask to trust whether to trust it or not. If I say if I hit on OK, I'm hitting it on OK, then it will turn to Samsung Galaxy. It means my device is connected to the computer because it's trusted. So it come up with the name and it shows online. So if I just go ahead and run it, I'm running my application, not the app engine. This is my application. Right click, run as Android application. So if I go to console here, before it's running, it will show me the available devices because I set up in my preferences to show the available devices before running. So like you see, this is the virtual devices we create. If you want to launch any virtual devices, you can just select one from here. But I told you as I told you, it's going to take a long time to load, and so I'm just going with the device which I connected, which is always recommended to run on a device instead of running on the emulator. So I'm selecting the Google Nexus 4.22, which is online, and just hitting on OK. So here, so once I hit on OK, it will install the application in my device, and you can see the logcat here. So this is the logcat, which everything is happening with the device. Nothing went wrong, everything is good, and I can see the app in my device. So you can also see it in the next video. So this is it about the Addmap application. Just follow with the next video for the demo on the device. So that's all for the Addmap application, library services, and the app engine, creating an app engine and installing the softwares from here. Help, adding the editing plugin, adding the SDK managers, installing the new SDK tools, running the application, and connecting the devices, creating the new emulators and everything. So uh, stay tuned to the next video of the application demo on the device. Thank you.